Now, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing, guys? My name is Innen, and welcome to the Inline FX trading. So, we are going to have a breakdown on the Gbpaud and then see whether we shall have to mine some to get some buys or to get some sells. So, as you know, we have to be having a clue on what we look before we execute our trades. First, we look for uh, direction. After direction, we look for HOM. After HOM, we look for liquidity. Then after liquidity, we look for point of interest, POI. So these are the things that we look for when we are trading. We look for the direction. Where is the market heading? Where is the market from? Then we look for HOM. Is it a bearish HOM or a bullish HOM? Then after that, we look for liquidity. You know, market when it's moving, it's always looking for liquidity. It's always hunting for liquidity. After finding out liquidity, we shall look for the point of interest. So this is what we are. This is what we are going to look for. We are going to first get to know where is the direction, and then when we come on the daily chart, we are seeing that market is in an uptrend, because this is where price was coming from here, a low, then a lower high, then we get a lower low, we get a lower high, and then we'll get a lower low here, which looked like yeah, it's a lower, it's not if you're saying it's a lower low. Then we get this high, which blocks structure to the upside. So since we have got our direction, because when we see that here price blocks, like we got a break here, we got a break there, then and then this was the high that led to the break. You know, this was the high that led to the break here. So here we had a break here, and then here we had a change in a character, which signifies that we are having buys. So since we have got our direction, then we are going to look for our HOM. Now in this scenario, we are going to look for a bullish HOM. We said a bullish HOM, we having price moving to the downside, then eventually price breaks. Yeah, that's our bullish HOM. That price grabs liquidity. Yeah, then price changes to the upside. So that's how our bullish looks like. So it's what you're going to look for here. And then when we drop lower to the lower time frames, what are we seeing? So in this scenario, we are seeing that a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and then eventually price block structure. When we bring out this. What is this? Is this the same as this? Yeah, it's the same because price grabbed liquidity here and then changed structure to the upside. Yeah, so that's it. After getting our 2M, what next are we going to look for? What next are you going to look for? We are going to look for liquidity. Where is liquidity? You're going to look for the first pullback. The first pullback before the break, after the break of structure, and where it is. So we shall drop down to the lower time frame and then see where is the first. So in this scenario, we have seen that this is our strong low. So we are looking for the first thing pullback after the break of structure. As we said here, this was the break of structure to the upside. The break of structure was here. And if that was the break of structure, then when we drop to the 1 hour, we are going to first look for the first pullback. And then the first pullback is just here. The first pullback is just here. That is going to be our liquidity. That's going to be our liquidity. So since we have got our liquidity, then we are going to look for the point of interest. Where is our point of interest? In this scenario, we are having we look for the point of interest has to be just after the liquidity. So in this case, after the liquidity, we are having this as our point of interest, this order block. I'm sorry. Let's put it again. This is our order block, which we see that price even has already tapped in. Then, and if that is it, we are going to look for, we are going to have our order here, a long order. So we are going long on the Gbpaud. So our stop loss is going to be 2 pips down, and then our target, we are targeting this high to be wiped out first. So this is our exit. So we are risking 30 pips for 100 pips. That is a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So let's wait to see how market prints. So here, if you don't want to risk big, you can still wait price to come back to the middle point of our order block. Yeah, you can still wait price to come back there. But if not, you can enter from there. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. We are going to be having more recaps and then more trade breakdowns. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and then click on the notification bell so that you can always get notification on whenever I post a video. So good time, have a nice time, goodbye.